In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create explainer videos with Canva. If you've never made one before, don't worry. This process is simple, fast, and great for turning ideas into clear, engaging visuals. Start by opening Canva and heading to the Templates section. You'll find this on the top navigation bar. Templates are a huge time saver because they give you a professionally designed starting point, complete with layouts, typography, and animations that already work well together for video. In the search bar, type explainer videos. This narrows the results to video-first designs made for teaching, pitching, or walking viewers through a concept. You'll see a variety of styles: playful, corporate, minimal, and bold. If you know where your video will live, like social feeds or presentations, glance at the size labels to make sure the canvas matches your needs. Take a moment to browse through the templates. Hover to preview motion, and click into any design to see how many pages or scenes it includes. Look for a structure that fits your message: a strong opener, a few supporting scenes, and a clean closing frame. Pay attention to color contrast and readability, especially if you'll add voiceover or subtitles, so your message stays clear at a glance. When you've found a design you like, click Customize this template. Canva will open the editor with your chosen template ready to adjust. From here, the fun begins. Replace the placeholder headlines with your key points, keeping one clear idea per scene. Short, simple lines work best for on-screen text. Update fonts and colors to match your brand or project style. High contrast between text and background will keep everything legible. Swap images or video clips by selecting an element and choosing Replace. You can upload your own assets or pick from Canva's library of icons, illustrations, stock video, and charts. For data or processes, use simple shapes and arrows to guide the eye. If the template includes animations, play them back and fine-tune the timing so each transition supports your story rather than distracting from it. Use the timeline controls to adjust how long each scene stays on screen. Aim for consistent pacing, usually 3 to 6 seconds per scene, depending on text length. Add subtle entrance animations to introduce key points, and apply scene transitions sparingly for a polished flow. If you're including music or a voiceover, lower background audio so narration remains clear. Preview your video frequently, tweak spacing and alignment, and keep your visuals focused. With these steps, you'll have a clean, effective explainer video that gets your message across with confidence.